Okay, let's try this vanilla cake first. It got sprinkles on that joint. That joint look fire. Let's try it with the milk. Got my milk here. Sheesh. Trying everything vanilla for the first time. Yes, sir. I got everything. Yes, let's give it a shot. That joint good. Look at that joint. The milk in it. It's so good. Okay, let's try these mini cupcakes next. These joints mad little. You feel me? Let's give them a shot. I got everything vanilla. I got cupcakes. I got Rice Krispies, bread, cookies, donuts. You feel me? Let's give it a shot. Come up. These cupcakes are mad good. They're just little. They valid. Look at that joint. The sprinkles are good. Creamy. You feel me? Valid. Let's try it. Okay, let's try the Rice Krispies Jones. That's how they look. Give it a shot. These Jones good too. Vibin' Jones. Crunchy. They're a little hard, but they're good. I'm giving these an 8 out of 10. Try these sugar cookie Jones out. Take a look. The milk. I love sugar cookies. These are 10 out of 10 for sure. Try the vanilla bread. Take a look. Boy, these Jones are the ones. It tastes like bread, but just like, you feel me, sugary. At least a 20 out of 20. Try the donuts out. You know these donuts the ones. Man, dry though. The milk makes it better. The best thing was definitely the cake, bro. This joint, definitely the best. You feel me? 10 out of 10. I got everything from Walmart. $30. You feel me? Walmart has the best things.